නාට්‍යයේ නිර්මාතෘ කොක් ෂූමින් මහතා ඇතුළු සියලු දෙනාට අපි ආරාධනා කර සිටිනවා.
I'm very happy today to see the Sri Lanka Bata ancestor by Chinese. So I speak to all the China, the Cantonese speech.
Okay, Dr. Kwok Seung-min, he's going to use Cantonese, one of the oldest Chinese language.
而家大家聽到嘅普通話咧，唔係中國古老嘅語言嚟嘅。
Whatever you guys hear right now, the Mandarin actually is not the oldest language from China.
而家我講緊呢種咧就係正宗嘅3000年前嘅正式中國嘅語言。
What Doctor is talking right now is the authentic Chinese language that have a history of over 3,000 years.
等我哋好少聽到斯林卡嘅薩克拉語嘅話一樣。
Similarly, we hardly hear Sakalali in Sri Lanka.
我唔係漢人。
She's not a Han Chinese.
我係滿洲人。
Actually, Dr. Kwok is a Manchurian.
今次係好難得嘅盛會，我哋係紀念斯林卡一個喺國際好有名嘅出家人維巴拉沙拿博士。
This is actually a very special occasion in memory of Venerable Vaikulasara from Sri Lanka.
佢係今年咧係100年嘅領袖。
This year actually marked the 100 years since his birth date.
所以咧呢個地區係啱啱100個嘅淨水地區咧，係一個好大嘅意義。
For that reason, because this is the 100th site for the water purification site, make it very minimal.
我差唔多近40年前咧，同維巴拉沙拿來往嘅。
About 4 years ago, Doctor actually have a very close relationship with Venerable Vaikulasara.
所以喺工作上喺世界上做嘅工作咧，係得到斯林卡佛陀嘅智慧，俾我喺世界上做到事。
It's through Buddha's wisdom which allowed Dr. Kwok to do a lot of works around the globe.
我哋知道佛祖咧開咗2條路。
We know Lord Buddha actually opened 2 roads.
一條咧係出家嘅路。
The first path is actually for the monk.
呢個係好難走嘅路嚟嘅。
This is a very difficult path.
佢哋係走犧牲嘅路。
It's a path of sacrificium.
犧牲咗世俗間嘅財富、地位啦、權力啦。
They sacrifice the worldly wealth, power.
釋迦牟尼另外開咗條路咧，係我哋俗家人嘅路。
Indeed, Lord Buddha also opened another path, which is for the common layman like us.
呢個咧係征服嘅路。
This is a path for overcoming.
我哋面對世界唔同嘅變化困難。
We are facing all the challenges and changes in our world.
我應該利用釋迦牟尼嘅智慧咧，係去解決嘅。
We have to use the wisdom from Sakamuni.
但可惜咧，而家喺世界上咧就係好多應該做嘅事咧係冇人做。
Unfortunately, what happened right now, many things that needs to be done, nobody actually is doing them.
應該做嘅事咧，又少人去做。
Whatever need to be done, hardly anybody is doing them.
唔應該做嘅事咧，就好多人去做。
For the things that are inappropriate to do, and many people are actually engaging in them.
所以我聽到斯林卡嘅朋友通知我，呢個地方咧啲水有問題。
So when I heard from my friend that Sri Lanka actually have a water pollution problem,
因為水係生命嘅資源嚟。
Because water is a life force. It's a resources for our life.
咁我哋咧就想辦法喺世界上揾唔同嘅方法。
For that reason, Doctor has been looking for different methods.
好難得係揾到美國嘅技術，
Fortunately, we found the technology in United States.
同埋係經過日本嘅研發出嚟，
And for the innovation from Japan.
同埋都得到印度嘅工業家咧支持，今日先至做到你哋睇到嘅儀器。
Also with the support of the entrepreneur from India. That's how you guys can see all this reverse osmosis equipment in Sri Lanka.
最難得係每一個地區嘅斯里蘭卡嘅朋友係好落力，特別啲學生、同學、家長都係去做嗰個工程嘅工作，係無條件去做嘅佢哋。
Okay, and the most precious thing is actually from all the Sri Lanka, the teacher, the school child, and the parents. They are unconditionally dedicated the effort to help support this project.
我係衷心感激，
Dr. Paul is sincerely grateful for that.
冇我哋嘅支持咧，做唔到100個，亦冇今日嘅工作。
Without all the support, this won't happen, and we won't construct up to 100 water sites by now.
好感謝斯里蘭卡嘅朋友，
Again,
俾機會我哋。
Doctor want to thank, the friends from Sri Lanka, give us such a good opportunity.
我嘅香港嘅朋友、香港嘅學生、世界上嘅學生咧，能夠參與呢個工作。
The friends from Hong Kong and doctor students from all over the world, they have the opportunity to participate in this task.
我俾兩句喺釋迦牟尼俾我嘅心得咧，同大家同學分享。
Doctor is going to share something he learned from Sakamuli with everybody here.
我哋係行俗家人嘅路可以用嘅。
We are walking the path that our common layman people can use.
己所不欲，勿施於人。
Do unto others as you would have them do unto you.
只做好事，不問前程。
Just do good things and don't worry about what the future holds.
我特別介紹一個好好嘅學生，李文斌先生。
Dr. Kwok would like to especially introduce one of the very good students of his,
佢
Mr.
一個
Lee.
香港成功嘅企業家，
He's a very successful businessman in Hong Kong.
佢好多年來支持我哋學會嘅工作。
He supports Dr. Kwok's Sakamuli Culture Center for many, many years.
上次都有同我哋出席斯里蘭卡嘅工作。
And Mr. Lee was actually here last time in year 2024.
希望我哋做嘅工作咧，同所有斯里蘭卡嘅朋友分享，同埋回向俾我哋過去所有生命分享。
May all the good deeds that Dr. Kwok and his culture center done
希望帶嚟俾世界多啲和諧。
with all the Sri Lankan people and bring harmony.
多謝 Mr. Lee。
Thank you, Mr. Lee.
Thank you so much。
Thank you all.